Customized phone cases sell for 10 times the price of standard ones, and people are happy to pay. The HTV Round H17 is a 3D vacuum heat press that transfers images onto phone cases. It wraps the design all the way around the sides and curves of the case, eliminating unsightly edges. The temperature can be set anywhere between 100 and 180 degrees Celsius, and the heating time is adjustable. From 1 to 600 seconds, it's universal mounts. Work with all iPhone 12 models and newer, as well as Samsung, Xiaomi, Google, and Huawei. It heats from 25 to 130 degrees Celsius in just 2 minutes. The free software includes a library of phone models and AI processing for precise design alignment. The package comes with sublimation film, blank badges, heat-resistant tape, and gloves. You can get this heat press for $280. Prototypes usually cost thousands at workshops, but now you can print them at home in batches. The Creality K2 Plus is a multicolor 3D printer with a massive 350mm cube build volume. Its CFS system supports up to 16 colors, through 4 modules each holding 4 spools. RFID technology instantly detects the filament's type and color as it loads the industrial-grade servo motors. Push print speeds up to 600 millimeters per second. The heated chamber that reaches 60 degrees Celsius makes it possible to print with materials like ASA and PPA, while the nozzle handles up to 350 degrees Celsius for engineering plastics too. AI cameras monitor the process in real time and fine-tune material flow. The matrix frame made from aerospace-grade aluminum keeps the structure rigid and eliminates vibrations. The printer costs $13. If this video gave you new ideas about business opportunities in 3D printing, subscribe to Techson. We regularly cover technologies that are reshaping the way business gets done. The era of plain white t-shirts is over. Now, any fabric can become a canvas for business. The InkSonic A3DTF printer is a specialized printer for transferring images onto almost any material without the need for pre-treatment. Its 6-channel L18 print head delivers a resolution of 2880 dpi, which ensures photo quality results, even on dark fabrics. The printer works with cotton, polyester, leather, denim, and many other materials. A white ink circulation system prevents clogging and extends the print head service life by 50%. An adjustable air suction system keeps the film flat during the printing process. Its performance exceeds 150 full-color A3 prints per hour. The package includes a curing oven, a manual heat press, 12 250-milliliter bottles of ink, and 100 meters of film. Ready to spend $23. Locksmiths have a well-kept secret. Uncommon keys bring in much higher profits than regular ones, especially when the customer shows up in a panic. The Keyway Replicator is a high-tech CNC machine built for cutting and shaping keys. It comes with a 7-inch touchscreen and a database of more than 7,000 household and car key profiles. You can scan an existing key or make a blank straight from the database. The machine measures 35 by 33 by 27 centimeters and weighs 18 kilograms. It runs on 24-volt DC, drawing 220 watts of power. It works with both flat and dimple keys, and the firmware can be updated through USB or Wi-Fi. The starter kit includes 65 premium blanks, so you're ready to start cutting right away. The price is $8,720. Logos on corporate uniforms often cost more than the clothes sells, and companies never hesitate to pay. The Brother Entrepreneur Pro W is a 10-needle embroidery machine designed for commercial use. It stitches at speeds up to 1,000 stitches per minute, reaching full acceleration in just 7 seconds. The work area measures 20 by 35 centimeters, giving plenty of room for large projects. Its 10.1-inch HD display offers access to 1,280 built-in designs and 50 fonts. An automatic threading system loads each needle in seconds with the push of a button, while the jump stitch trimming function cleans up excess thread between stitch groups. Using the Inner VI technology, the machine scans the fabric inside the hoop and shows a preview of the design placement on screen. The My Stitch Monitor app keeps you updated in real time, sending project notifications straight to your smartphone. Every morning, millions of people spend several dollars on coffee they could just as easily make at home. The Gaggia Academia is a premium espresso machine with a glass touchscreen display and 19% drinks. It comes with a steam wand and auto-frothing carafe. The stainless steel body is built in Italy, and the system lets you customize strength, temperature, dose, volume, pre-infusion, and flow for every beverage. A cup warmer keeps your espresso at the perfect temperature. The water tank holds 1.6 liters, and the power rating is 14 watts. The machine measures 40 by 28 by 38 cm and runs on 120 volts. The price is $2,000. A selfie on coffee may sound absurd until you see the line of people waiting to have a picture on their drink. The eBot EB-FC1 is a color printer that prints images onto the foam of coffee and other beverages. The device produces full color prints with a resolution of 600 dpi in 20 to 40 seconds. A built-in camera makes it possible to take selfies and instantly print them onto a drink without connecting to the internet. Customers can upload their own images through a QR code displayed on the machine screen using their mobile devices. One fancy box color cartridge is designed for 800 uses and keeps for up to 12 months unopened. The maximum print size is 10 cm, while the cup height can range from 5 to 18 centimeters. The printer measures 340 by 270 by 410 millimeters, weighs 18 kilograms, and requires only 18 watts of power. The price of the printer is $18. Tell us in the comments, what image would you print first? On your customer's coffee, a company logo, a popular meme, or something completely unexpected? Forget about complicated recipes and hours of temperature checks. Now craft beer practically brews itself. The Igloo S1 is a home brewing machine that condenses the process into just 3 steps. It uses a Fermentec control system that automatically regulates the temperature between 2 and 40 degrees Celsius and the pressure up to 1 bar. Thanks to our RFID tags on ingredient kits, the brewer instantly recognizes the type of drink and adjusts the settings on its own for the best results. ACO2 cartridge keeps your beer fresh for up to 30 days, and the built-in air pump maintains fermentation conditions for 24 hours. Each batch produces 5 liters. The machine comes with 9% recipes, including pale ale porter, kombucha, and cider. The brewer measures 60 by 48 by 38 cm and weighs 13.5 kilograms. The price is $440. Cake decorators often spend hours perfecting smooth frosting, but this machine ends that struggle once and for all. The PYY Cake Decorating Machine is a professional tool that automatically coats cakes in cream. It handles cakes between 10 and 30 centimeters in diameter, ensuring even coverage. Adjustable horizontal and vertical scrapers create a flawless finish on flat and curved surfaces. Unlike the LED touchscreen lets you fine-tune the frosting thickness and the rotation speed from 60 to 320 turns per minute. A 200-watt motor ensures reliable performance for daily use in bakeries and cafes. The 35-centimeter turntable is made of aluminum alloy, while the scrapers are crafted from food-grade 3.0 for stainless steel. The kit includes 6 decorating nozzles and 3 scrapers of different sizes. It's available for $330. In the summer, people want ice cream, which means you can make some money. The Vivo Ice Cream Machine is a professional soft serve maker with a capacity of 20 liters per hour. It's equipped with 2 4-liter hoppers and a powerful compressor for fast cooling. The first batch is ready in 15 minutes, and each one after that takes only 6 minutes. The LCD display shows production time and how much product is left. The housing is made of Sus2.01 stainless steel, while the cylinder is food-grade Sus3.0 for the machine automatically keeps the working temperature between 5 and 32 degrees Celsius and can continuously dispense 8 to 10 servings. 80 grams each. Its dimensions are 51 by 69 by 73 cm. And it weighs 85 kilograms. The price is $916. And tell us in the comments, what unusual flavor would you create for your ice cream business? Maybe something like wasabi or bacon.